as I said, food does three things. It fuels us, it builds us, and it conditions us. And it's the conditioning part of micronutrition that addresses this physiology spectrum you're seeing here. On the left side, you have poor physiology. On the right side, you have peak physiology and anything in between. These are all states of your physiology, wherever you are. And as we age, or as we have lifestyle that puts a burden on us, so like a hard training athlete or unhealthy lifestyles, body has a tendency to break bad, but we can level it up with the micronutrition, with the biochemistry of nutrient-dense foods. Whether you're going left or right, what food does, as I said, is condition, fuel, and build. It's the conditioning part that is the domain of micronutrition, and it's a compounding effect. So in the 20th century, we understood those molecules to be vitamins and minerals. But in modern 21st century, we know that there are, as I said, these tens of thousands that provide just-in-time inventory, the biochemistry to deliver physiological conditioning and physiological function across those states. So each little yellow dot you see here is a micro gain, is an advance, it's an optimize, it's a level up, it's a gain, it's a performance advancement. And what the difference is between these beets and these beet powders is simply the removal of water. And powders, beets, the nutrient density deliver conditioning for anyone at a systemic level, deeper level. And I call these, so the daily micronutrition gains. These are all gains, advantages. Your body activates stuff, it modulates stuff, it protects stuff, and you want all of this thing stacked up and working together. There's a lot going on in this slide because there's a lot going on in your body. We're way beyond carbs, proteins, and fats here, right? And wherever you fall on the physiology spectrum, the greatest generation, the next generation, a type 2 diabetic, a type A personality, a professional athlete, a pregnant woman, someone you love, someone you hate, anyone, right? Wherever you are on the spectrum, whoever you are, nutrient-dense matter, nutrient-dense foods put in the body over time will help you level up.